Welcome to Randy Bright Production channel. How to make avocado oil. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Wash your avocado. You dry the water by cleaning it. Divide or cut each side. Divide or cut each one into two. Then you peel off. We'll be making use of the pulp. You can use the seed to make avocado seed powder. After peeling, then you mash it with your spoon or pestle. You can use anything but mash it very well. Mash it very well. Divide into two. You air it. Keep it in a place where air will touch it, not sun. Not sun. Keep it in a cool place. After some hours, you turn it so that air will touch the other side. Avocado oil is anti-inflammatory. It contains vitamin A, D, and C. It reduces wrinkles. It's anti-aging. Also turn this once and air it again. Avocado oil is antioxidant. It replenishes dry skin. It softens the skin. After some hours, you can turn the other side again so that air can touch them. As you can see, the color is getting darker. Do you know avocado oil can be used to improve nails and hair? It prevents breakages. Please click on the subscribe button to watch the part 2 of this video when it's out, because there are other methods to make avocado oil. Hours later, it's now dark, no green color. Don't allow it to over dry so that it won't reduce your oil, and let it not be too wet to avoid water. About to squeeze out the oil. Still squeezing out the oil. Place it in any material you can use to squeeze out the oil. Squeeze very well. Press it very, very well. Still squeezing the oil. Avocado oil protects the skin against skin damages. It moisturizes and heals the skin. After squeezing, you sieve it. It contains oleic acid. Please subscribe to this channel, please, for more videos. Avocado oil contains oleic acid and promotes collagen production. As you can see, avocado oil is ready. It helps to grow new skin. Then pour into your container. Thanks for watching.